This is my lightweight full body workouts 30-day challenge as I try to recover from my 60-day bulking phase. This time we're just trying to keep it slow, always full body like we always do on each and every exercise and on each and every day. And I'm just going to try to keep to certain weights. Bench press will be like for the next 30 days, maybe 100 kgs to 110 plus, depending on the mood. And the leg press will be around 200. The reason being is I just want to be comfortable with these weights so that when I proceed I really bulk up a little bit. And if you want to call me out on a challenge, please do so. I'll really accept.